So what do you do when there's something in an existing remodel space that you can't change and it doesn't work with the rest of your color palette? For instance, this lovely orange sink that we have in our space with all the pinks and the greens and the whites and so on and so forth. We had to think about the fact that we've got tile back here and it's been here for about 4 or 5 years. We don't know who it's from. We don't know if it's been discontinued or what it is. If we remove this sink, it's going to damage the tile. And if we can't replace it exactly, you're going to see it, number one. So we said, okay, we can't take out the sink. So what can we do with it? Well, I said, can we epoxy spray it? No, we can't do it. Can we paint it? No, we can't do it. Can't put laminate on it because there's so much moisture and water here that you're going to have issues with bubbling and the seams coming apart and it becoming delaminated. So here we are. We have an orange sink. So in the rest of the space, when you eventually see it, there's some really amazing artwork that we have that's very colorful, that's going to bring in oranges and golds and blues and different colors. So in that instance, that is what we will do here. Probably on this wall behind me and across, we'll bring in some great artwork that ties the color in. And that way it won't seem like it's standing out like a sore thumb. And that's usually what you do. You just have to find a way to work around it. Anything is possible in the world of design if you just use your creativity.